If you've recently launched a website for your local business on the MultiSites platform and you want to make it a bit more personalized to your very own business, change up the sections and make it more suited to your local business, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how easy it is to do that. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, perhaps you've randomly stumbled across this video today. MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Now, I've already launched a website for my small business on the MultiSites platform. The great thing about MultiSites that makes us a little bit different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to the market you have selected, and pre-selected images as well specific to that market too. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. If you'd like to make it a bit more personalized, it's really easy to make any changes to your brand new website that you've launched on the MultiSites platform. Perhaps you want to change the content that was pre-written and just put a little bit of background about your own business. All you need to do is click on that update section button and head on over to update content here on the left. You have the option to change the titles, the subtitles, as well as the website copy. All you need to do is easily change the content and click on save, and it will automatically be there. If you're struggling for content, of course, you can use the content that was pre-written for you. If you would like to change it up a bit specific to your business and you're struggling, maybe you're not the best content writer, you specialize in other things, and you don't have a budget to hire a content writer or a copywriter to assist you, I really recommend that you make use of ChatGPT. Currently, it is free. All you need to do is ChatGPT a command for your business. So I'm going to say, write me a short paragraph as an about me section for my burger food truck. My business is located in Denver, Colorado, and it's been operating for 10 years. Great. Now ChatGPT will literally automate content for your business for the About Me section. There we go. You can easily literally copy and paste it over here into the About Us section so it's specific to your business. Click on Save Content. And there we go. You have a brand new About Us section written with ChatGPT. It's currently free. And to make any changes on the MultiSites platform, it's literally simple and easy. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone, so you don't need to be super tech savvy. Hope this video tutorial was helpful in making changes to your new MultiSites website for your local business. If you have any questions about MultiSites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. All the best.